Let's learn about words and sounds. Words and sounds. Words and sounds. Let's learn about words and sounds. Words and sounds. Words and sounds. Yay! Words and sounds! Today we're going to learn about words and sounds with Akili. Sounds! Let's learn about sounds.
Hello, kids. Today, we are going to sing a silly song with some silly sounds. Can you make a song with a sound like zagabagaloo? It sounds silly, right? Then let's all be silly. Here we go. Okay, kids. Now say it with me. Zagabagaloo.
Zagada.
Yes! Zagabagaloo!
Huh?
Zagabagaloo! Say it with me before we start the song.
Zagabagaloo.
Yes! You got it! Now let's make a song with it. Are you ready?
Yes!
Za ga ba ga lu.
Za ga ba ga lu.
Zaga baga lu.
Zaga ba ga lu.
Let's sing a little faster.
Zagabagaloo. 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 Zagabagaloo.
A little slower.
Za ga ba ga lu. Zaga ba ga lu. Zagabagaloo. 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 Zagabagaloo.
Can you switch it up?
Zugubugulo. Ziggy Zugubugulo. Zagabagale.
Okay, kids. I think we've been silly enough. That was great!
Hey there, friends. What time is it?
It's time for the alphabet.
A is for Akili, Akili. B is for baby, bush baby. C is for cat, cat. D is for dance, dance like a dog. A, B, C, D. The next one is E. E is for elephant, look at all the elephants. F is for family, family. G is for goat, goat. H is for house, happy hippo's house. E, F, G, H, the alphabet is really great. I is for insect, icky insect. J is for jump, jump. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, laugh with little lion. I, J, K, L, we use letters to spell. M is for mountain, march up the mountain. N is for night, nighty night. O is for ocean, swim in the ocean. P is for please, always say please. Q is for quiet, shh, be very quiet. M-N-O-P-Q will sing the alphabet for you. R is for rainbow, run to the rainbow. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for up, away. V is for village, village. R-S-T-U-V, sing the alphabet with me. W is for wind, wind. X is for box, at the end of box. Y is for yes. Z is for zebra, zebra. W, X, Y, Z, that's all the letters A to Z.
Elephant is with his long trunk is trucking down the letter T. He trumpets when he sees it hiding. He holds it up like a trophy. Let's say together, ta 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 ta. Let's try together, ta 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 ta. Say together, ta 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 ta. Learn the letter T with me. It's time to sit by the tall teacher. Time for tea with the letter T. Fruits and vegetables, they're so tasty. Yum yum yummy in my tummy. Ta 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 ta.
Tree, tree.
Ta 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 ta.
Tortoise, tortoise.
Ta 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 ta.
Tray, tray.
Ta 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 ta.
Trousers, trousers.
Ta 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 ta.
TV, TV.
Ta 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 ta.
Triangle, triangle.
Ta 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 ta.
Terrific.
Come, let's learn about letters, about letters, about letters. Come, let's learn about letters. Let's learn them together. Come, let's learn about letters, about letters, about letters. Come, let's learn about letters. Let's learn them together. The letters from Alphabet Land are lost and don't know how to get back. Friends, we need your help to get all of the letters back home to the Alphabet Land. Today, we're helping letter T, which makes the T sound. Let's go find her.
Let's go help, let's go help, let's go help to bring them home.
Wait, is that letter T? She must be in one of the buildings right there. But I can't really see. Oh, there are two binoculars here to help me see the building that letter T is in. But we have to choose the set of binoculars with the word that has the T sound. So, should we choose the rat binoculars or the nose binoculars?
Rat.
Yay! That's right! Rat! Now, where is the T sound in the word rat? Is it at the beginning, middle, or at the end?
At the end.
That's right! It seems the letter T is in that shop over there. Let's go and take her back to the Alphabet Land.
Let's go help, let's go help, let's go help to bring them home. Let's go help, let's go help, let's go help to bring them home.
Hey, letter T, don't worry, we will help you get back home. Oh, to open the door, we need to choose a door handle with the word that has the T sound. Which handle should we use? Tea handle or juice handle?
T.
Yes, tea. Where is the T sound in the word tea? At the beginning, middle, or at the end? Listen carefully. Tea.
At the beginning.
Yes, let's go. Hey, letter T, hurry up. Let's go back home before the door closes. Uh-oh, don't worry, letter T. Maybe your friends, the tablets, can help us go back home. They can show us the map back to Alphabet Land. Let's choose the tablet with the T sound. So, is it the tablet with the word water or the one with the word fire?
Water, water.
Yes, where is the T sound in the word water? At the beginning, middle, or at the end?
In the middle.
Yes!
Let's go help, let's go help, let's go help to bring them home. Let's go help, let's go help, let's go help to bring them home.
We're back at the Alphabet Land. Yay! Friends, we have to trace letter T to get in. Let's do this. Yay! Thank you, friends. We got letter T home by listening and learning the sound letter T makes. Letter T makes the T sound. Bye, letter T. Bye, friends.
How
Howdy, hey! It's time for our fun rhymes. Hooray!
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Look at these alligators, friendly as could be. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Look at these alligators, friendly as could be. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. I see zebras, I see hippos, what a sight to see. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. I see zebras, I see hippos, what a sight to see. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. It's Father Lion and Mother Lion, there's no need to scream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. It's Father Lion and Mother Lion, there's no need to scream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Hello there, kids! Today I'm going to read you a great story. Happy Hippo loves to read stories too. Today's story is 5 Chicks and a Mango. A yummy yellow mango is ripe and ready to eat. One little chick stares at the yummy yellow mango. The hungry chick cannot reach it. Here comes another chick. 2 little chicks climb on the chair. They want to reach the yummy yellow mango. But the mango's too high. Here comes another chick. 3 little chicks ask a mosquito to knock down the yummy yellow mango. Sadly, the mango is too heavy. Here comes another chick. 4 little chicks shake the tree. But the branch is too thick and the mango doesn't fall. Here comes yet another chick. 5 little chicks sit under a flower, trying to figure out how to get the yummy yellow mango to fall. They think and think, then one of them has an idea. Let's climb on each other, the first chick says. So, the second chick climbs on the first, the third chick climbs on the second, the fourth chick climbs on the third, and the 5th chick climbs on the 4th. They wobble to the right. They wobble to the left. The 5th chick grabs the mango with her beak, but the yummy yellow mango is too heavy. All 5 chicks fall down. The yummy yellow mango lands on the ground. The chicks giggle and cheer. They get their yummy yellow mango and eat it till their tiny tummies are full. The end. Did you enjoy that? Until next time, bye!
Hey friends, did you know that we can now learn with Ubongo Kids and Akili and Me anytime, anywhere? Meet Ubot, Ubongo's WhatsApp chatbot. Ubot gives you free access to new videos, fun music, exciting apps, and other great educational content from Akili and Me and Ubongo Kids through your phone. Here are the 3 steps to get started. Number 1, save the number +1 2 3 4 900 1234 with the name Ubot on your phone. Number 2, open WhatsApp and send a hi, hello, barka, or even mambo to the saved number. The Ubot talks in Swahili, English, and Hausa. Number 3, now you can start chatting. Follow the instructions in the messages and respond with numbers or text to get what you need.
My kids love Ubongo Kids and Akili and Me. And Ubot has been a great way for them to enjoy this African educational content anytime, anywhere. I find these weekly timetables and short times very helpful in keeping me informed about the latest fun content so that my kids never miss out on learning. Ubot is free and easy for anyone to use, and you can choose between English, Swahili, and Hausa. Save the number +1 2 3 4 900 1234 today. Start chatting with Ubot and tell your friends too.